In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add file attachments to your posts in Beehiiv. Although Beehiiv doesn't natively support file attachments directly within the newsletter emails, there's a simple workaround available. You can link to downloadable files by using an external service. In this guide, I'll walk you through each step you need to take to achieve this. First, you'll need to host your file somewhere accessible. For this demonstration, we're using Google Drive. Google Drive is a reliable service because it offers ample storage space and file flexibility. If you haven't done so already, upload your file to Google Drive. Once your file is safely on the cloud, click the Share button. This step will open a sharing configuration window. It's important to ensure that anyone with the link can access the file. In the sharing settings, you'll want to set the file's access permissions to anyone with the link. This adjustment ensures that your audience will be able to view or download the file without any hitches or needing special access permissions. Once you've set the correct permissions, copy the link provided. Simply click the button to copy the link to your clipboard. Next, you'll be heading over to Beehiiv to integrate this link into your post. Whether you're creating new content or updating existing material, the process stays the same. Navigate to posts and either select new post to start fresh or choose an existing one to make your edits. Now, in the text editor, identify where you want this link to appear. Typically, this could be text like download PDF or any phrase that clearly indicates there's a downloadable file. Highlight this text. This step is essential as it marks the spot where your link will be active. Once the text is highlighted, locate and click on the link icon within the editor's toolbar. This action opens a field where you can paste your copied URL. Go ahead and paste the shareable Google Drive link into this field. Now your readers will be able to click on that highlighted text and reach the file directly. After embedding the link, make sure to save your changes and preview your newsletter. Taking a moment to preview ensures that everything looks and works as you intend. Confirm the link is functioning by clicking it yourself to make sure the file is accessible. Doing so prevents any broken links from going out to your subscribers, maintaining a seamless reader experience. And that's all there is to it. With just a few steps, you've turned your Beehiiv post into a gateway for your audience to access relevant files, enriching their reading experience while keeping your communications tidy and professional. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial makes enhancing your Beehiiv newsletters a whole lot easier.